Yeah, gentlemen, we are on site. We are here to carry out some domestic installation work. Here is the electrical beauty plan. These are the legends. You can see the legends. From the legends is showing that here is 1 by 40 watts. These are the fittings, fluorescent fittings. But for now, we are not in the fitting stage. This is just the preparation, the piping stage. So right now, we also have other legend for other accessory, the intercom, control consumer unit, fab, fire alarm distribution boards. These are the legends. You can see it. These are the legends. Then now we have the drawing for this is the ground floor piping. These are the sockets. Can you see? These are the symbol. Sorry that is very tiny, but we are going to demonstrate to you. You see it? This is the ground floor. You can see the ground floor here. Ground floor. So this is the power point for the ground floor. Sorry. Here the ground floor piping for the power point. So we also have these are the lighting points. You see it? These are the surrounding lights. This is the ground floor for lighting point. It's showing you when you see L4, you can see these are the security lights. 1, 2, 3. Please come and help me to hold this paper. Hold it down. Hold it. Come closer. These are the security lights. This L4 is telling you that all the security lights, they are all in circuit 4. 1, 2, what is much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, I think 23 lights. All of them in one circuit. But sometimes they might give you drawing, but you as a technical person that want to do the job, you have to do some adjustments. Like this 24 light in one circuit is not proper. It means that when one of the star plug is bad, the entire building will be dark. So this building, this drawing need to be, this lighting point, we need to split it into two. Okay, it need to be split into two circuits. So right now we are going to show you how this piping is being done. You can see, but there's modification in this drawing. In this lighting point, we have in this floor we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights, and 2 silicon. These are silicon. Okay, 2 silicon. But there's adjustment. There's a redesign of this BD plan. So let me show you. This is the hall. Come with me. Please remove this pipe from the floor. So this all. So this back here, that's all. For the initial plan, it is if you put it, it's going to fall on the beam. It's going to fall on this beam. There's this slide before. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Likewise here. 1, 2, 3. But in this plan, there is modification. Okay. We have some modification. Now we are putting one. We are making it 8 lights. 8 lighting points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then and 1 silicon. And 1 silicon. Likewise here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then
and one ceiling fan. So we have 8 lighting points in this hall and 2 ceiling fan. So we are going to show you how to do the electrical piping. It's very simple. From our drawing, we have a switch here. We have a switch here.
This is a switch. Okay. And this is our lighting point. This is our lighting point. What we do from our power point, here is another office. So our office is going to be on this walkway